finds, magbablog ako sa gitna ng dagat. Sardine rod. Hello, so we're here at Wal. Nag-ready na kami for our snorkeling. Ayan. Sila. And we all need to wear ito. Pero pagdating daw doon sa baba, tatanggalin na rin namin. So, ayan, punta na kami sa shore. We're going Sardine Run first. We're going there. Sardine Run. Now here at Bual Bual, ready na kami for our Sardine Run. What about like Sardine Run? Oh, turtle din. Swim with the turtle. So, andito na kami sa gitna ng dagat. Hi fans, magbablog ako sa gitna ng dagat. Sardine rod, andun sa bottom, so we'll try to dive. Alright, yeah.
Hey, do you feel what I'm feeling today? Come on now, say. Hey, I feel just in a good mood, babe.
Nakapagkuhan ka sa ilalim? Hindi ko alam eh. Gusto mo mamaya sabay tayo? Oh, pwede pa nga mag-request eh.
Come on now, do you feel it? Hey, do you feel what I'm feeling today? Feeling fun, get today. Feel like that, sing on this groove. Feeling fun, get today. Feel like that, sing on this groove.
Tapos na ang aming Bual Bual, Sardine Run, and Turtle watching. Ano rin nyo yung couple diving shot. Yeah! Hello! So, tapos na ang aming Bual Bual. So, we're able to do Sardine Run at saka yung swim with turtles. Did you enjoy?
I'm hungry.
Oh, hungry na daw siya. Actually, nakapagod siya. Pero, worth it naman yun. Kasi, bulubog ka sa malalim na malalim.
I don't want to eat the pig.
You don't want to... He saw a piggy. Yeah.
May nakita sila
Yeah,
na
you don't. So, are you not gonna eat pig anymore?
No.
Huh?
Only if I see the piggy die.
Only if you see the piggy. Then nakita na may
Nakita
baboy na
nilang
kakata.
ginawa.
Oh no! so we're going to Inambakan Falls. So yun yung recommended by our tour guide kasi they say na if you have some adults and youngsters, so it's better to go to Inambakan Falls. No? So we will try it. So it's highly recommended daw. They say it's hidden gem, no? Kasi the more popular one is Kawasan. Pero doon onti lang yung tao. No? So we'll try that. So let's see. Inambakan Falls.
We just finished swimming.
We have this now. Now we're going to our next travel of our trip.
Trip, okay. Yeah, we just finished swimming at Inambakan.
Did you enjoy?
Yes.
We had a choice if we're going here at Inambakan or at Kawasan. But our tour guide, they recommended that we go here because we have kids.
Like you, and we have adults as well.
We have seniors, and then the tour guide said it might be difficult for our seniors and our kids to go hike
At Kawasan.
At Kawasan.
Well, Kawasan was really popular because of the canyoneering. But they say that if you won't try canyoneering, it would be better to just
go to Inambakan.
So
and
here
it
we
turns
are.
out it's a good choice.
Yeah.
Because after dropping here at the parking spot, it's just here. Maybe we walk just
100 meters?
just a few meters,
Yeah,
and then the
few
hike
meters.
wasn't that
And
difficult.
then there are 2 waterfalls.
Actually, what you can see, Kuya Lens, is only 2 waterfalls. But when I drew the drone upwards, I will show you later, there are I think 4 layers of waterfalls.
Wow.
4. I will show you 4.
So 4 tier.
Yeah,
falls.
4 tier of waterfalls.
Wow, we
And
didn't see that.
it's really turquoise, right?
Yes.
Turquoise. Color is really turquoise, so it's really deep blue. Nice.
And the kids
I saw
enjoyed
3.
it.
No, 4 layers, right?
No, but I only saw 3.
And then the boys jumped as well. Nice.
Yeah, we went cliff diving.
Cliff diving.
Then I accidentally, he was pushed off, so then he went, and then he went,
He somersaulted.
and then he went back into the water.
Really?
Yeah. Then he stuck into the water, and then Tommy got washed.
Tommy got rashes, yeah. But it was a good choice to go here if you have
It's not even
seniors
that
or
ouchy.
kids.
Adults and kids.
Yeah, this might be a better option. And they say this has fewer people.
Oh yeah.
Because Kawasan is like
The more popular one.
more commercial. Yeah. More commercialized. Do you
Yeah.
say commercialized? More touristy. And this one is all lesser known. So there was a point during our swim where it's just us.
Us, yeah. The other groups left. So it was just us and some few other visitors. So it's just almost
So
us.
we got it partially to ourselves.
Alright. Bye. pupunta na kami we're going to Osmeña Peak. And Simala Shrine
And
for
we're
our
gonna play
day.
tag in the mountain.
Okay, you wanna play tag in the mountain? On the mountain? It's 5 a.m. Kaya namin agahan para mas maga kami sa top of the mountain. And then, makita namin yung scenery. We're now here at the parking of Osmeña Peak. So, pupunta kami sa tuktok doon daw sa taas. Actually, hindi ko siya makita kasi may fog. So,
Very foggy.
looks like it's way high pa up. So, let's see.
I think it's about 30 minutes high.
30 minutes pa?
I don't know.
Okay, let's see. Baka hindi kayanin ng aming mga not so young people. Pero, we'll see. Actually, tingnan mo yung sa babaan natin, no?
It's foggy.
Foggy talaga, no? Look at the clouds, right? Behind us, there's fog. Actually, we're on the almost top of the building mountain.
And there's the cloud.
We can't even see the peak. Right?
The cloud.
Yeah, there are lots of clouds. And it's cold, right? I should have brought my jacket.
Bagay.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Noon. Kaya
Look at the view in our front, oh.
umaakit.
Beautiful. Just going to the information center, it's so high na paano pa kaya yung mismong peak. Okay, ubos lahat ng kinain natin ito. Teka lang, may nagtutulakan dito eh. Ayan, no?
May nagtutulakan.
Nag-stuck yung kotse eh.
Oh, nice. Ang ganda ng view, oh. We're just 10 minutes in. Pero pagod na yung mga tao kasi matarik siya, no? Saka maputik.
Madulas.
So, we really recommend this tungkod. It's really helpful.
Medyo naminipis na yung hangin.
Mag-wear ng ganito.
Tapos, wear nice shoes. Medyo rocky yung ano.
Yung road.
Rocky yung path. Tapos, umulan yesterday, so
Malambot.
madulas. Sana makapit. Makapit na road.
Pahinga konti. Let's go. Hello. So finally, we're just few meters away from the peak. Pero yan. Ayun yung peak. Ayun yung peak. There. Yun. Pero medyo malayo pa. Pero we have here the signage. It says Osmeña Peak. This is the highest peak in Cebu province.
Ang ganda ng view.
Oh, it's really tiring. Pero, can you say it's worth it?
Worth it. Sayang lang, foggy ngayon.
Worth it siya. Ang ganda ng view, no? Yun lang, foggy. Let's wait for a few more minutes kasi mataas naman na yung araw. Sana makuhaan natin.
Pero feeling ko hindi yan sa araw eh. Ulap talaga yan eh. May low pressure ata ngayon eh.
I see. Too bad. Pero kita mo pa rin yung mga silhouettes ng mountain. So parang kung siya, surreal.
Sa China.
Oo.
ano?
Yeah. Pero tiring talaga.
Yes.
Alright.
This is your friend.
Let's go. Few more steps away. Ayan, finally. Panahon na kayo sa amin. Woo! Nice. Ang galing nyo, boys. Huh? You're the tour guide? Osmeña Peak. Yeah, we're finally at the top of Osmeña Peak. So, nakakit na lahat, even with yung mga senior namin. Ayun, nasa likod namin si Kuya Ice. It's really beautiful. Ayun, no?
Nakakalula.
Di ba nakakatakot dyan? Scary. Pero yun, ang ganda ng view, oh. Oh, parang wala ka sa Philippines. And siguro it took us around 30 minutes, no? Pero slow pa yon. Ang ganda ng view, kaso lang unfortunately yun yung sabi namin, no, it's a little bit foggy. Hindi a little bit foggy talaga. Kung ano ngayon, 9 AM and covered pa rin siya ng fog. So, pero nakikita naman yung aninag. Ang ganda niya, right? Nice. So,
Kung kaya
tuhod. Kailangan siyang punahan pag pumunta ka ng
pero mabait yung mga guys.
Oo, mabait. Tuhod.
Si Iris nga nakakita. Pero mabait yung mga guys.
Oo, malamig sa umpisa, magja-jacket ka. Pero Chris, did you get tired? You got tired ba? No? Why? It was tiring. Okay, pagbaba namin na mountain. Did you enjoy? Hmm?
Meron
My shoes didn't
Ayan, meron siya doon sa tourist center.
my shoes didn't enjoy it.
Your shoes didn't enjoy it? Lalay! Ayun, anyway. May tea house dito, so yung snacks, pwedeng uminom, bumili. So, snacks muna kami. So, after the hike sa Osmeña Peak, it's a good thing na merong kainan doon sa baba. So, we're here.
Malapit lang siya
Actually, pagbaba mo ng
steps away lang.
Ang name
Pangalan niya
niya
ay RJ's Resto Peak.
RJ's Resto Peak. So, may mga tapsilogan. So, kumain yung long silog, chicken silog, and mga iba.
May view din.
May view siya, tapos nasa upper deck siya. So, mararamdaman mo yung lamig ng hangin. So ngayon malamig siya.
Para siyang Baguio pero hindi matakot.
Baguio feels pero quiet and serene. Hi everyone! So we're here at Simala Shrine. So this is in Cebu pa rin. Simala. Yeah. It's a big shrine, Catholic shrine. Actually maganda siya. Iba yung architecture niya. And it follows yung terrain. So as you can see maraming towers, spires, pero sa gitna may malaking pan. Laki na. So I guess yung pond, it's not allowed for the public kasi walang kang makikitang tao, no? Yun lang. And looks like festive dito ngayon kasi ang daming tao. Super daming tao.
Indian towers.
Oh, looks like Indian towers?
The Indian castle thing.
Oh, Len said it looks like Indian castles thing.
Over there.
Yeah?
Parang Disneyland.
Oh, parang siyang castles, no? So Catholic church where it looks like castles. Yun lang, mainit na. So, tadan! Mainit, maraming tao. So, kain muna kami ng ice cream. So, we just walk around a little. Kaso since medyo maraming tao, wala, hindi na rin kami magtatagal. Pero it's beautiful. If you are someone na gustong mag-visit for ng different churches here, especially here in Cebu. So, pwede nyong puntahan yung Simala Shrine. Alright? Okay, ice cream muna kami.